Okay, this tutorial is going to be solving linear equations using the two methods, elimination and substitution method. And this is located in your Math A30 textbook in sections 1.4 and 1.5. It is two sections, but I'm going to do all my examples using both methods of solving so that you get an idea of what to do with each and how you work with each of those methods to solve them. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just do a bit of a summary on how to solve equations with the elimination method. So first method, or method one, is elimination. And what you want to accomplish in the elimination method is to remove one of the variables completely. You want to remove a variable completely. Okay, so you want to eliminate, like if you're doing the x and y, the x or the y. And basically what you do methodology-wise is, first of all, you would look at both equations and determine coefficients to multiply by. Such that one of the variables will have the same coefficient in front of it. Okay, but that will be of opposite sign. So the only thing is you want the number, but you want the opposite sign. Okay, so you would multiply these numbers out, get the same number in one of the coefficients with the opposite sign. Then you would simply add the two equations together to eliminate that variable. And solve for the other one. And then we would then replace back to find the second one. So that's just a little bit of a summary. We probably went through in a little more detail in class. And I'm going to do an example of the elimination method here for you so that you can see what's going on here. So I'm going to flip my page. Okay, so my example that I'm going to use is I have this equation here, x plus 3y equals 6. And I also have 2x minus y equals 5. So my first decision using the elimination method is, well, I can see that these two variables here, the y variables of both of these equations, let's say this is 1 and this is 2, are opposite signs, but different signs. So if we increase this to make it the same as this, then we can eliminate the y. So let's multiply 2 by 3. Okay, so multiply equation number 2 by 3. So that would be 3 times 2x minus y equals 5. So if I were to do that, I would get 6x minus 3y equals 15. Okay, and that's equation number 2 in its new form. That's the first thing I do. Okay, then I take the second equation and add it to that one. Or sorry, not the second equation, the first equation. We started with the second equation. So add equation number 1. So equation number 1 is x plus 3y is equal to 6. So if I add these together, 6x plus x is 7x. Negative 3y plus 3y is 0y. And 15 and 6 is 21. Okay, then I had solve for x. So solving for x here, we divide by 7 on both sides, and x is equal to 3. Okay, the next step then is to solve for y using one of the two original equations. So now solve for y given we know that x is equal to 3. So I'm going to use equation number 1 again. X plus 3y equals 6. Then I'm going to substitute 3 plus 3y is equal to 6. Well, bring over the 3 by subtracting 3 on both sides. 3y is equal to 3. Divide by 3 on both sides, so y is equal to 1. Therefore, we have a solution set of 3, 1. And then just do a quick mental check, or if you like, do into the other equation. So do a quick check. Okay, so that would be 2 times 3 minus 1 equals 5. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 5 equals 5. So my solution set then, therefore, is this. 3, 1 for that answer. And that's using process of elimination there. Let's do another example here with elimination, just to have a second example to refer to. So I'm going to